Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need to act now. Pick an iPhone model with sufficient storage and set camera to the resolution and frame rate you'll use. Once done, enable Do Not Disturb and stabilize the phone. Use a tripod or gimbal. Make sure grid lines and AE/AF lock are on so exposure and focus stay consistent. Use the rear camera for best quality. Flip only when necessary. Check battery level and bring a power bank so your first takes aren't cut short mid-recording. Now focus on how to capture clean, watchable footage. Position a soft key light at about 45 degrees and avoid mixed color temperatures. This keeps skin tones natural. Plug in an external mic and monitor audio levels so you peak around -12 to -6 decibels. Use manual exposure and white balance via a dedicated app if possible. Lock them once correct. Compose with the rule of thirds, stabilize movement with a gimbal, and keep shutter speed roughly 1/2 your frame rate. Finish by backing up your files immediately to cloud or external drive, then edit, trim, stabilize clips, correct color, and balance audio. Export with H.264 or H.265 at 4K or 1080p in 16:9 using platform-appropriate bitrates and embed captions and metadata. Upload with a compelling thumbnail and clear title. If something goes wrong, here's one key fix. When audio drifts, use a visible slate or clapper during shoots so you can realign waveform sync in your editor quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.